Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to approve or block entry for users from specific countries and regions on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then click on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the Settings button in the Personal section on the left side. Tap on Meeting at the top and then scroll down to this Approve or Block Entry for Users from Specific Countries and Regions section. So here you can set whether you would like specific users to be blocked and allowed from specific regions or countries. So tap on this button and then select the regions or countries that you would like to allow if you tap on the first button, or block. So just simply type in and tap on the Save button. So here you can see that you have blocked users from Dominica, for example, but you can always turn it off by coming back to this section and tapping on this button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.